siguro instinct na lang din, or every time I take a shot, muscle memory. And then kasi been playing for so long, I've been practicing din naman, hindi naman ako tatamad-tamad din sa practice. I've been practicing, lalo na yung kami mga hindi masyado nakakapaglaro. We have a routine that we play 3-on-3, 4-on-4 before practice with 10 to 15 players on the bench. So you just have to be ready. Ganun talaga. Nandun ako sa point ng career ko na gano'n lang. Anytime nasa leader, katulad sinabi ko kanina, as a leader of the team, I have to be a role model na, diba? And I have to make something happen. And yun lang, I think masaya nung pagpasok ko ng dugout, but hindi ko nabanggit kanina, we just tied the series. Sabi ko sa mga players, masaya tayo ngayon, nagawa natin to, natay natin na series in a very, the never say die spirit, diba? Pero hindi pa tapos. So, we just tied the series and mapapaliwala ito. Papabayaan lang namin ang Game 7. Yun yung sinabi ko rin sa mga players kanina. Most likely, they're gonna play again. The normal rotation that coach team have. Ibig sabihin, pag meron kami normal rotation, ibig sabihin we're playing well. We're playing good. And I mean, that's how it is. As long as we win the Game 7.
Ang sandaling pinost ngayon sa social media yung tira mo, marami nagko-comment, redemption daw for LA tomorrow. Ano yung masasabi mo na parang yun ang iniisip ng mga fans ngayon sir?
Well, definitely, I'm playing this game. I'm playing basketball until now. I came back playing basketball because of the fans, especially fans ng Barangay Ginebra and the PBA fans. They've been very supportive all throughout my career. Hindi ako makakaabot sa 21 years of playing in the PBA without the fans of the PBA. That's why we play. Before going out of the dugout, yung huddle namin, lagi kong nire-remind ng mga players, let's win this for the fans. For our family, especially itong semis, itong ganitong klaseng pagkakataon. Because you never know kung kailan ulit mangyayari ito. Diba? Might not happen again next conference or next year. So, yung mga fans na yan, malaking sakripisyo. Diba, we're saying that we're sacrificing too much also, but the fans also sacrifice a lot. Kaya masaya ako. Nagawa ko yung game na yun, nabigyan ko sila ng magandang araw, ng linggo na to, ng ganun laro. Especially yung fans ng Nera. But again, sana sa Wednesday, ma-duplicate or mas malampasan pa namin yung performance. And we get to Game 7 and advance to the final.
Ano yung dun sa game na sa dun sa pinagdaanan mo nga, ano yung mga nakikita mong parallel dun sa nangyari?
Well, you just can't give up. Katulad na sinabi mo sa pressure, kung ano yung nasa harapan natin, let's make it count, diba? Because you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow, the next few days, the next week, diba? So, given na kanina, binigyan ako ng pagkakataon. That's what I've been praying, na mabigyan lang ako ng pagkakataon. I'll make something happen. I'll help the team in whatever it takes. If I make a shot, I make a shot. If not, if not. If I make a play, make a play. But in the end, I mean, I'm truly blessed na may ganito pa akong pagkakataon. So, hindi ko sinayang yun. Mahirap ang sitwasyon kasi katulad siya ko kanina, I feel like I was a rookie, shaking. Hawak ko ng bola, I was really shaking because it might be our last game, diba? Hindi kami nanalo kanina. So, yun, thank God, talagang binigyan pa niya kami ng pagkakataon. So, me, tulad niya sinabi ng mga fans na just to show na I can still help the team in any way.
Hindi na-mention mo kanina, may practice na kayo sa Batang Gilas?
Bukas, start tomorrow. So, practice kami in Ginebra, and then men's, and then Batang Gilas. So, we have to practice, we have to prepare also. So, it is what it is, and actually, I'm really looking forward. Been thinking about also what's gonna happen dun sa August, mga players na pwede namin tingnan, been scouting already, so diba, marami na rin, and That's life. It's a blessing. Everything that that's happening is a blessing. Kaya yan. Diba? So, mag-finals kami. We still practice. Wala, kaya we have to start practicing already. It's July already, and then August na yung tournament. So, kailangan eh.
Ano yun, same team or may mga
May mga in-invite kaming iba. Mas, we want it to be bigger, but sa age limit kasi, sa age bracket, medyo nahihirapan kami. So, nag-invite kami ng mas mahabang players. We'll see. Alam naman nila yung sitwasyon.